Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, tourism in geography. How many of you like to go for picnic or tour? Yes, most of us like to go for tour and picnic, isn't it? And today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about tourism. Before that, we are going to see the learning objectives of this lesson. First one, define the concept of tourism. Appreciate the basic and geographical components of tourism. Understand the types of tourism. Identify the places of tourist attraction in India. Then, explain the places of tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. The word tourist was derived from an old English word, Turian, which refers to a person who travels out of his usual environment for not more than 1 year and less than 24 hours. If he travels less than 24 hours, it means picnic. The purpose of travel may be religious, recreation, business, historical, and cultural. What is meant by tourism? Tourism is the activities of the people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for leisure, business, or other purposes. Now, say what is meant by tourism. Tourism is the activities of the people going outside from their usual environment for leisure, business, or other purposes. Now, what are the basic components of tourism? Attraction, accessibility, amenities. Tourism is an essential part of the life of the society because of its direct impact on social, cultural, educational, and economic sector of the nation and on their international relations too. Now say what are the basic components of tourism? Attraction, accessibility, amenities. First one, we are going to discuss about attraction. Attraction mainly comprise of two types, natural attraction and cultural attraction. What are the two types of attraction? Natural attraction and cultural attraction. Natural attraction includes landscape, seascape, beaches, climatic condition, and forest. Cultural attraction are historic monuments. Apart from this, cultural attractions also includes fairs and festivals. Now say, what are the two types of attraction? Natural attraction and cultural attraction. Natural attraction means landscape, seascape, beaches, climatic condition, and forest. And cultural attraction means historic monuments, fairs, and festivals. Isn't it? Next one, accessibility. Accessibility means reachability to a particular place of attraction through various means of transportation such as road, rail, water, and air. Transport decides the cost of travel and the time consumed in reaching or accessing a specific attraction. Next one, we are going to discuss about amenities. Amenities are the facilities that cater to the needs of a tourist. Accommodation in terms of hotels, restaurants, cafes, and other staying units. Travel organizers, tour operators, and travel agents. Foreign exchange centers, passport and visa agencies. Sectors related to travel insurance, safety, and security. Now say, what are the amenities of the tourism? accommodation, travel organizers, foreign exchange centers, passport and visa agencies, then sectors related to travel insurance, safety and security. And now we are going to discuss about the different types of tourism. What are the different types of tourism? Religious tourism, cultural tourism, historical tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, and recreational tourism. Under types of tourism, first we are going to discuss about religious tourism. What is religious tourism? Religious tourism is one of the oldest type of tourism wherein people travel individually or in groups for pilgrimage to a religious location such as temples, churches, mosques, and other religious places. Religious tour to Kashi by Hindus, to Jerusalem by Christians, and to Mecca by Muslims are few of the examples for religious tourism. Next one, historical tourism. It focuses on visiting historically important places like museums, monuments, archaeological areas, forts, temples, and so on. Next one, we are going to discuss about ecotourism. Ecotourism typically involves travel to destinations where plants and animals thrive in a naturally preserved environment. Amazon rainforest, African forest safari, trekking in the slopes of Himalayas are the famous incredible eco-friendly attractions. Next one, adventure tourism. Adventure tourism is a type of tourism involving travel to remote or exotic places in order to take part in physically challenging outdoor activities. For example, skydive in Australia, bungee jumping in New Zealand, mountaineering in the peaks of Himalayas, and rafting in the Brahmaputra river at Arunachal Pradesh. Next one, recreational tourism. This type of tourism aims at enjoyment, amusement, or pleasure, or mainly for fun activity. Waterfalls, hill stations, beaches, and amusement parks are the attractive spots for recreational tourism. Apart from this, there are certain modern types of tourism which got developed in recent years. They are annual holidays tourism, industrial tourism, seasonal tourism, international tourism, group tourism, sports tourism, health tourism, and farm and rural tourism. Now say, what are the different types of tourism? Annual holiday tourism, industrial tourism, seasonal tourism, international tourism, group tourism, sports tourism, health tourism, farm and rural tourism. And at last, we are going to discuss about international tourism. International tourism is undertaken to visit the places of international importance and to gather knowledge about international culture and customs. For this, there are certain travel forms and formalities to be fulfilled by the tourist, such as passport, visa, foreign currency, air ticket, travel insurance, and other immigration details. Okay, children. So far, we have discussed about the basic components of tourism. What are the basic components of tourism? Attraction, accessibility, amenities, isn't it? and we have learnt about the different types of tourism. What are the different types of tourism? Religious tourism, cultural tourism, historical tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, and recreational tourism. And at last, we have learnt about international tourism also. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next class. Still then, bye bye.